Good day, gentlemen and ladies. The subject of my video will be regarding insect pest control on your firewood. Alright, so stick around. I'm gonna explain that to you in detail on this short video. Alright folks, so I hope you don't have that light in front of you. Alright, so I've got my firewood here storage. Remember, I've got this is the very small amount of firewood that I kept here. Mainly I use that when I wake up at between 1 to 3 o'clock in the morning to restoke my firewood stove, so my house will be warm. Alright, so this is the small amount. Okay, so, and the reason why I completely forgot to make a video showing you what I do when I am about to split the firewood, processing it, and piling it to for that it dry. Okay, so I had a lot of questions lately, not a lot, but the last month or so. Dave, what do you do for your insect and pest? You know, all the varmints that we can have, like the black construction ants, and various earwigs and stuff like that. All right, what I do, and the reason why I use, and I will explain that to you right now, is the main. I just make sure that you see it very well. The main reason why I use this to over my firewood is showing you that right now, is if I was using any type of petroleum oily chemical insects, you know, insect treatment, stuff like that, is these does contaminate the breathing air. All right, it will evaporate, it will cause a bad smell and chemical smell, toxic. It's even rated on their product. All right, make sure you use it in well ventilated area. All right, so if you cut your firewood and you spray whatever chemical, fuel, oil, well, it's there for a very long time and more than 1 year. All right, so if you pile it for your firewood for 2 years in advance, if you're doing your firewood 2 years in advance, it will still release it. All right, now what I do is basically, and you see it here, this is the perfect example. This is a yellow birch. It was infected with the black ants. All right, so what I've done is I use, that's why I'm showing you, I use a soapy lukewarm water filled with soapy water, with this any type. This one is very concentrated, that's why I use it, and I just spray it, like dump it on the firewood which was contaminated with pest. Okay, so and it help also, it kills everything around. Okay, and you can see the result here. It's trust me, it's crusty, and this I bought that at the last spring, and it's very dry right now. You can see I'm going there, and that way all the black ants are completely, the soap basically what it does is it's choking them. All right, you can also use boiling water. All right, I have many nests. I used to have many nests of earwigs and ants, various type of ants. If you boil water and you throw that over the nest, that's it. I'd say the success rate is 75%, and then you do another pass, and that's it. It's 100%. All right. So, but the quick video about that is the advantage of using soapy water, like liquid soap. It's not gonna release any bad chemical agent who will affect your health. All right, your breathing. All right, and trust me, this is hardwood, but I had like you show it there, I have softwood there, and I had a lot of various insects that I treated. So basically I was splitting it, then piling it, and then I use a sprayer, or you know, just a hand spray bottle. I just spray over it, and trust me, the next morning they're dead basically. All right, so I don't know how I'm gonna title that, but how did I treat pest over my firewood? That's the way I'm using it. All right, so I hope that will answer all the questions for you folks. I did answer all personally what I've done, but showing a video, and especially this one I remember very well. It was I split it into, there was a black nest in there. I don't know, it's further down the woodshed, but I had also a black hen nest into a maple. That's very rare, but yeah, I had that. Black hens, it's more with the poplar tree. I had that many times, but when I was living in Shefford, that's what I used to have to treat these bad hens. All right. So again, thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. But again, it's almost a safety video because I saw so many folks using fuel, diesel, use engine oil. All right, trust me, use engine oil. They throw that over their firewood, not thinking then about a couple of months later they will stack it either outside, but they have to stack it inside their house. And these are BPCs, black engine oil. It's very toxic. All right, it's I don't mess around with that, despite of whatever the net is showing, or whatever type of research. It's post-combustion oil. It's not good. All right. So yeah, it is a safety video about using the proper product, and try to eliminate the chemical. I have two family members which are doctor in chemistry, biochemistry, and specialize in health effect on human. And trust me, whew, I learned a lot with them, definitely. So radioactive material, chemicals, stuff like that. So yeah. All right, folks. So again, thank you very kindly. Remember, into that cold weather that we have, life is very good, especially with the wood stove. If I can show you, I just light up. I just arrived from work. It's 5 o'clock. So look at that nice wood stove. I can feel the heat. All right, folks. So I just tried to find some light. All right, take care of yourself. Life is good. All right, cheers.